I'm the welder fitter supervisor. I became a welder 28 years ago. When I was in high school, I took a VOTEC course, and I've been working with metal ever since. I'd say that I'm driven, ambitious, assertive, and when I put my mind to something, I get it done.
I am an office manager for Great Western Buildings, and I have been doing this specifically for Great Western Buildings for the last 6 months. I do onboarding with new and current employees. I do and process payroll. I do tool runs, supply runs, just kind of typically a little bit of everything.
I'm an operator. I run the flange machine. I've been here since November. Started as a welder. Learned Dom, taught me so much. Eric taught me so much about how to weld. My background is tank mechanic, maintenance. I loved it, turning wrenches, stuff like that. But being able to learn a new trade because of Eric was just fantastic. I don't have any prior certifications, but he brought me on, taught me so much how to run this machine, how to run the iron worker, kind of better myself at welding as well. I did do some welding, but he bettered me for sure. This place has come up so much. Like when I first got here, we had like 4 welders, 3 fitters, and iron worker, and we didn't even have a paint booth at that time, so it was very small, minimal people, and now we have 3 big pieces of equipment plus the saw. We have, of course, the clip machine, iron worker and stuff still, and we have up to about 8 welders, I think now. A good day at work looks like working with my hands. I love doing stuff, being able to build something with my hands. It just makes me feel great.
After being a machinist for over 15 years, I've learned how to repair and fix things, and it's what I truly enjoy doing. My job is to come in and to gather my team, get it going, get with each of the people that are running the machines. It's always a new, exciting adventure every day that I come in. You never know what's going to be here. The atmosphere is great. The factory's growth is huge compared to what it was over the last 3 to 6 months that I've seen it. It just exploded in size, and it's got great things coming.